Come on, man. He gonna electrocute your nipples.
Life with Jeezy, man.
Yeah.
Make sure y'all tune into the channel, man.
Yeah, I see.
Be like me, support him, man.
Getting better and better.
What it do, Jeezy gang? It's your boy Joe G's, and we back, and we back, and we back, and we back. And today, as y'all can see from, well, shit, y'all can't even see nothing because it's so dark. But today, we are putting these here seat covers on. It's upside down, but y'all see it. These bad boys is nasty with the diamond stitch. These bad boys is so nasty. They're gonna have to be wiped off after they get put on. We about to go ahead and get those installed right now. I ain't even about to cut and waste no time because y'all see it's gloomy out here and it's starting to sprinkle and it's kind of chilly. So we about to get straight to it. So let's do it, G. We ain't about to play no games. Get these installed, and then I'm gonna need y'all to get down in the comments. Man, get down in the comment section right now and let me know what y'all think of these. Cause these, and they match the antenna over there. You couldn't see it, but cold blood. Let's get started. Oh, this got to be super simple. Oh. Okay, G. Hey, look at it. I ain't even gonna put the headrest back down. Hey, yes sir. Now we gotta do the other side. I gotta be careful cause there's somebody else's car on that side. There ain't my car on that side, so I can't be as reckless. Yes, sir. Hey, yeah. I gotta get the headrest put on, but yes, sir. That diamond stitch look good. I gotta get them wiped off. Gotta get some wipes, wipe them off. Too. I gotta find something to hook them on to on the bottom so they can be all the way tight. But they're looking good. Oh, shoot. I gotta move the car seat. Gotta move this goddamn car seat. Hold on, guys. So we can get this back seat together. Look at this pattern, man. Look. It look good, boy. And they got the pockets back there so they can put their little drinks or whatever back there. Extra storage. Alright, gang, we in there like swimwear and booty hair. Oh, excuse me. In there like swimwear and booty hair. Yes, sir. Got her car seat put back. I don't really know what those are for, but they gonna be right there. Gotta line that up a little bit, but yes, sir. Get down in the comment section and let me know what y'all think of these car seat covers, boy. These bad boys look good. You feel me? And like I said, hold on, let me go back over on this side so y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? With the blue Barooskis. With the blue Barooskis. You feel me? Give it a whole nother feel. Oh, that look like it gotta be lined up a little. Gotta tighten this up somehow. But get down in the comment section and let me know how y'all think this stuff look. these bad boys to me looks really good, and this is definitely a great look for the truck. Give it a little more personality on the inside instead of it looking all super basic. So get down in the comment section, let me know what y'all think, and let me know, man, bro. We gonna see y'all the next one. Peace.
Tell them niggas I ain't playing games. Tell them bitches I ain't playing games. Tell the judge I ain't saying names. Tell my real niggas